guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing the very much requested video about how and where I buy my bags pre-loved. eBay is also a site that you can buy pre-loved bags on. There are sellers that have tons and tons of bags on eBay from Japan, and they are very intense about their pictures. They have whole grading systems. Always look at these seller ratings, look at reviews. Here we are, we have an open box. I've never ordered from like Japan or anything, so this is my first time. The shipping was really fast. I think I placed the order on like Friday early morning, and I got here, today is Wednesday. I purchased it off of eBay from a seller that had really good feedback. Oh, I'm so happy. I got this last week. I ordered it. I have a video about how and where to buy pre-loved, and it was in amazing condition. The price was right, but I'm so happy I got my hands on this because Tony and I just left the hotel room. We're going to meet with the eBay reps, hopefully get some coffee. Came to this convenience store. I wonder if this is from To All the Boys I Loved Before. Eating lunch. So I saw salt and then a different sauce. Here we have some fried shrimp, it looks like, and then a fried fish cake. Tony's gonna try it out. Am I supposed to dip it in sauce? Tony and I and Chi. Do you want to be in the video? Okay. Yeah, and Chi are on our way to visit the first seller. We're so excited. We've been touring around Ginza this morning. We had lunch. And now we're off to visit the first pre-loved seller. Today we're gonna go visit our first pre-loved distributor, and this company is named Brandier. It's based in Tokyo, Japan, and they sell so many luxury brands like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Hermes, Celine, Cartier, Goyard, and so much more. Japanese women are very fashion conscious, and updating their handbags regularly is common, which is why there is such a big secondhand market in Japan. I was blown away at how big of an operation this was. I don't know what I was expecting, but it definitely wasn't this full-blown massive warehouse. It was super impressive, and it was kind of crazy to see so many designer bags everywhere. I was in heaven. Brandier was actually listed in the Tokyo Stock Exchange, and they won the best store by Yahoo. Brandier was launched in March of 2007, and it really developed the buyback service model that we know and love in the pre-loved luxury community. Brandier buys back designer goods that were sent in by customers to be evaluated, and they use their own marketing skills and expertise with the bags in order to resell them. Once the product has been evaluated and deemed authentic by an authenticator, it can go ahead into photography. And it was so cool to see how all the photographers and everything were set up, all the little light boxes. It was really cool to see how actual professional photographers took the pictures. And then the item can go ahead and be listed on one of their auction sites, and whenever someone buys it, it's always packaged up really quickly. A popular pre-loved piece, you guys know I purchased mine pre-loved. The keep all bandoliers, they don't come folded, they come all nice and flat out wrapped in bubble wrap with protective paper, and they ship out really quickly. I mean, if you just look at all of these boxes, it is pure heaven for luxury and designer lovers like me. I was in heaven looking at all the different bags, all the limited edition bags, all the bags I had never seen or touched in person before. It was really surreal and just a really awesome experience that I'm so lucky to have received, because not many people are allowed access. As someone who's loved these luxury bags since I can remember, and growing up watching Lauren Conrad on the hills with her Chanel bags, I've always had such an appreciation for designer goods. This was the first stop on our little tour of all of the eBay pre-loved luxury stores in Tokyo, and honestly, I had no idea what to expect going into my first location, but it blew all of my expectations away. They had departments for everything. Everything was super organized, a huge customer service department just for Brandier. I was honestly just shocked after the first location because I really wasn't expecting anything of this magnitude. A little, oh, how sweet.
No, what I'm dying over is that.
And with that, we pretty much wrapped up our first stop at Brandier, but we weren't done exploring Tokyo just yet. We actually went and visited a shrine, which was really, really beautiful and serene. And I was super thankful that the people that we were working with brought us there because I don't think we would have found our way there without them. And then we also went through the Harajuku area, which was really busy and really hectic and was a little overwhelming for me, but such a cool experience. And it was amazing to see all the different types of outfits and stores. And then we continued to explore the streets of Tokyo until we got hungry, and we were taken to a Japanese, I guess what you would call steakhouse that specialized in Kobe beef. This is beef sushi. I don't know the name of this restaurant. What is it?
Gyuan.
Gyuan. This is beef sushi. It smells really good. Guys, so it is currently, Tony, you want to say goodbye? Today's outfit was a little bit warmer than expected. I thought it was going to be a fall day. It was not. It was quite hot. We had such an amazing day. I think I'm losing my voice because I talked all day long and I'm already sick. Tony, say goodnight.
Good night.
Thanks for coming to Tokyo with me.
Thanks for bringing me to Tokyo.
I love Tokyo. I had such an amazing day. I did not look like this at the start of the day, but I look crazy now. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my makeup off and not repeat the same makeup mistakes as today. Good night, guys.